Molweni bafethu, molweni guys. I hope all good. Today like ngifuna sikhulumeni about how to make money on Facebook. You understand? Because abantu abaningi like they always say how to make money on Facebook, but they are using e-writing, they are using English. You understand? And what about those who don't understand English? You understand? It's either umZulu or is either umXhosa, yabo, or is either yakwazi ukuzwa nje isinguni nje isintu nje yayibona, because sometimes we differ and we truly differ, understand? So I want to talk lana guys with how to make money on Facebook. Okay, first of all guys, Facebook in all was wenza imali kuyo, into abayidingayo kuwe yebo ukuthi ube ne-engagement and then nama likes, yebo into le. For example, you can post maybe ama-video out 3. As example, you can post ama-video out 3 and then ama-video out 3 ahambe viral. Yokuqala maybe 500,000 views, you understand? This example, and then it's maybe ama-likes maybe out 20,000 and then ama-comment out 5,000. Yabo. And then the second it's maybe over 10,000, maybe 12,000. Yabo, maybe 12,000, and then shama likes maybe out 2K, and then shama comment out 100. Yabo. And then the third one nayo ipushe, yabo, it be above 5,000, and then ama likes about 500, and then ama comment about 20. You understand? And then that way, because njengoba we comment, be like, be share, be senza yonke into leyo, that is called engagement. Yebo, that engagement iyo lenza ukuthi manje igcine la video ba recommended kwezinye ama channel or kwamanye ama account abanye abantu. You understand? So into akufollow wish, but la video izovela kula muntu lapha, even though like market troller, yabo. And then in that way it means Facebook iyaqala manje iyakubona as i-content creator, yabo. And then mase ikubona kanjalo automatically ke manje bazojani bazoku-unlockela i-monetization. It's whereby uzoqala ke manje uthole imali. You understand? As long as you have followers over 1,000, you're gonna get your money. You understand? And imali yakhona izoyaka ukuthi manje so-consistent kangakanani and the content oyenzayo nayo consistent kangakanani. So I hope bafethu nisizele video yase.